Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well today. As you can see from the title, I'm doing a clean and decorate. So I really hope that you guys get all the motivation that you came looking for. I'm also going to be doing some decorating in today's video, just styling the pieces that I picked up from Primark the other day. If you didn't see that video, I will go ahead and link it down below. Also, do go ahead and subscribe before we get started. I'm on my way to 5,000 subscribers and I would really love all of your help and support. Also, leave today's video a thumbs up and let's just jump straight into it. So I needed to start off in the front room today because it was an absolute mess and I wanted to get the hardest job out the way. It just motivates me to keep going. And the night before, Max actually got hold of one of my slippers without me noticing, and by the time I looked up, it was in a million different pieces. So I thought he may as well keep it at that point, but you're gonna see it is literally all over the front room floor. So I definitely wanted to do a pickup and a clean and tidy in this room first because yeah, you can see I can't even see the floor at this point. So I'm just going to go around, pick up all of Max's toys, sort out the slipper situation, and then we can go from there. So I'm now in the kitchen. I wanted a bit of a break from the front room, so we will head back through in a little bit, but I just wanted to get the kitchen sorted. So I've got a little bit of washing up to do. I'm then going to wipe down the sides, get it all nice and fresh, and I'm also going to be doing all of the cupboards and drawers today as well, because it's actually been a little while since I've done that. I don't remember the last time I've given them a good clean. So yeah, I'm just going to whiz around the whole kitchen, giving everything a good wipe over. I feel like I'm a little bit here, there and everywhere in today's video, but now I've done the kitchen, I head back through into the front room because whenever I decorate or have some new decor that I want to put out, I always need to have a good dust and clean first just to make sure all the surfaces are ready for the new stuff. So I'm going to go around and just give everything a good wipe over and then we can start decorating. Okay, so I've gone ahead and pulled everything off of those shelves. I find it so much easier to decorate when I can see everything in front of me and just starting with a blank canvas. So I think I'm going to go ahead and pull everything out of the TV stand as well, just to mix that up a bit. I'm not really liking how it's looking at the minute. So yeah, I think I'm just going to pull all of my decor out, keep it in the middle of the room, and then we can go from there. It's just so much easier to decorate that way. Did you find a stick in the garden? Did you? Do you like making mess? You like making mess? I'm really happy with how these shelves came out. It normally takes me forever to try and figure them out, but it actually didn't take too long. And yeah, I just love that it's neutral with the greenery. I'm absolutely obsessed with the olive stems. They're beautiful, and yeah, really happy with it. And even though I literally bought like 3 new vases a couple of days ago, I still feel like I don't have enough and I need to buy some more vases, but that's a problem for another day. So coming over here, I've just kept the coffee table nice and simple so it's not too high like when we're watching the telly. But that's one of the new vases I got just on top of my White Company book. I don't think that White Company book is going to be going anywhere anytime soon. I love that book. And then I've just popped the candle from Primark on top. It smells absolutely insane. It's just a vanilla scent. But yeah, I just wanted to keep like the centerpiece really simple and minimal so it doesn't take up too much of the table. And then coming through here, I really need to get a new basket because this one just isn't big enough. You can still see everything like coming out, so I need to fix that, but just ignore the wires for now. Again, really happy with how this has actually turned out. It's another vase that I picked up, and I've just popped one of my crystals in here. I actually use this quite a bit, so I will be getting it in and out, but that'll just be its home when it's not being used. And then yeah, these bits were already in here, but I just wanted to sort of mix it up a little bit. And then a couple of new candles over here that I got from Primark. So yeah, I'm really happy with how everything's looking. So I've kept this corner really simple. I haven't really changed it up too much. I put the lantern there instead of on the shelf because it doesn't really go with my aesthetic, but it is really sentimental to me, so I definitely want to have it out. But yeah, I thought if I just leave it over in that corner, it can't get knocked or anything either. It should be safe over there, and it just adds that pop of black. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. So I'm just going to be honest, I was going to do like a pan of the room to show how like neat and tidy it is and how nicely decorated, and then there's Max. So this is literally just what he does all the time. The amount of times I have to hoover every day is insane, but he's enjoying himself and I can't bring myself to take it off of him because he's having so much fun. So just ignore that. But yeah, everything else has turned out really nice. Of today's video. I really hope that you've enjoyed this one. As always, thank you so much for being here. Your support means everything. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because I'm on my way to 5,000 subscribers and I would love your help and support to get me there. So just click the red subscribe button down below, leave today's video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys back here in my next one. Bye.